Back to the channel. Today is another wig install, and this install is sponsored by no other than Luvmehair. So I'm gonna show you guys what they sent to me inside the box. They sent me the stocking cap with their logo on it. I won't be using it because I already have one on my head. And they sent me their little kit. I love Luvmehair because they always come in clutch with their kits. They literally always send you everything that you need. So this is the scarf to put around your hair, the front part here when you lay down your baby hairs or when you're laying it down. Send me some baby hair combs, help lay down my baby hair, and some goodies. So the Luvmehair clip, we all know this clip, it ain't new. Some bobby pins and some elastic band. Now I'm going to be showing you the wig that they sent to me. So this is the wig. Yo, the quality of the lace and the hair was on point. Like, do y'all, this is what it came like. The only thing I did was bleached it. Like, it came plucked. So this is how it looks. This is how the inside looks. It comes with a band right here and the combs inside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the combs because even though I repeat this all the time, I'm gonna repeat it once more. I do not like putting on my wigs with the combs. Then I'm basically going to use my Ebin tinted lace spray in the color light one brown to spray the lace. Okay, so after spraying that, I went ahead and I used the same concealer that I have on my head. I put it on the lace as well, and this is how it's looking. So now, and the concealer I use for myself is Cool Tan. Okay guys, so for this hairstyle, I know this is not a 360 wig, but I wanted to do an updo with it. I tried doing something, you know, I don't know what I was doing, but I tried a little thing. I did go ahead and redid the ponytail in the top. I did go ahead and do it over like the messy bun, because when I did it in this part of the video, I didn't realize that it wasn't neatly done. Even though I wanted it to be messy, I wanted the bun to be messy but not the ponytail itself. So I ended up going over and doing it again. But I just want to show you guys that initially how I actually do it. Like, this is the way I did it. I just did it neater. While I was doing my makeup, I ended up just doing it over because it was just like, I might as well, like, it wasn't to my standard or not what I like. So yeah, don't look on how it looks right now. I'm just showing you guys pretty much the basics of what I actually did. But again, I did go in and actually do over the ponytail, because you see, like, the back was not being cute or anything. Like, I had to do it over. So when you see in the next clip with me with my makeup on, then you'll realize that I actually went over and did it over. But yeah. Okay, so this was basically the ending result. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave your comments down below. This was a little cute style. Like, I thought it came out cute and it went well with my outfit. Unfortunately, I did not get to take any outfit. I did not get to take any picture, I should say. But I'm actually going to go take my picture. So by the time this video is up, you guys will probably see the pictures on my Instagram. But anyways, yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.